Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes someone or something that's bold, showy, and full of energy, flamboyant. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is flamboyant. Let's break it down. First, we have flam, which rhymes with jam and sounds like the beginning of flame. Next is boy, which rhymes with toy and is stressed. Then comes unt, which sounds like in important. Now let's put it all together. Flamboyant. Try repeating after me, flamboyant. Now a little faster, flamboyant. And at full speed, flamboyant. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Flamboyant describes someone or something that is very confident, bold, and extravagant, often with vibrant or eye-catching qualities. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce flamboyant and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.